جائے میرے گل کا پسینہ، واللہ جو مل جائے میرے گل کا پسینہ، مانگے نہ کبھی عطر نہ پھر چاہے دلہن پھول، مانگے نہ کبھی عطر نہ پھر چاہے دلہن پھول. And before we go on to the next slide, because I guess there's many here that probably don't understand what's been said and what's been written by Sayyidi Imam Ahmad al-Khan rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh. So he starts off the poem by saying, Sartaba kadam hai tane sultan zaman phool. The Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, from head to toe is fragrance, is phool, is like a rose. Then Sayyidi Imam Ahmad al-Khan, he goes into more detail and he says, Lab pool, dahan pool, zakan pool, badan pool. He says the blessed lips of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam are like fragrance. The blessed cheeks of the Prophet alaihi salam are like fragrance. And the entire body of the Messenger alaihi salatu wasalam is like fragrance. Then he refers to a certain incident at the time of the Messenger alaihi salatu wasalam, where a woman came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, Ya Rasulullah, my daughter is to get married, and I am in need of a fragrance that will help her and be useful for her. And so the Prophet ﷺ gave some of his blessed sweat for purposes of perfume. And Sayyidi Imam Ahmad al-Khan alayhi rahmah, he says, Wallah jo mil jaye mere gul ka pasina. That by Allah, if you were to receive the sweat, the blessed respiration of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, mange na kabhi itar na phir chahe dulhan phool, then the dulhan, the newlywed woman, nor would she ever require any itar, nor would she ever require any flower for the purpose of fragrance. And then in the next verse of this naat, Sayyidi Imam Ahmad al-Khan alayhi rahmah, he talks about the power of the Messenger alayhi salam, the qudra that Allah Azza wa Jal has given to him, and how unworthy we are in front of the Messenger alayhi salam, and how we are unable to do nothing in front of the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. So in the next share, Sayyidi Imam Ahmad al-Khan rahimahullah, he says, Tinka bhi hamare to hilaye nahi hilta, Tinka bhi हमारे तो हिलाए नहीं हिलता, तुम चाहो तो हो जाए अभी कोहे मिहन फूल. Allah Azza says that if we wanted to, we can't even be able to move a single speck without the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we are that unable. We can't even move a single speck. Tum chaho to ho jaye abhi kohe mihan phool. O Messenger alayhi salatu wasalam, but Allah has given you such ikhtiyar, and Allah has given you such power and ability that if you wanted to, within moments you can turn a mountain into a flower. This is the qudra Allah Azza wa Jal has given you. And then in the final share, Sayyidi Imam Ahmad al-Khan, he pays a tribute to the blessed Ahlul Bayt, the noble household of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in which he says, Kya baat riza us chamanistan ne karam ki, Kya baat riza us chamanistan ne کرم کی, زہرا زہرا ہے کلی جس میں حسین اور حسن کو, زہرا ہے کلی جس میں حسین اور حسن کو. says, O Raza, what can be said about the garden of generosity of the household of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam? How better is it to explain the garden of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam than to tell you that Zahra hai kali jisme Hussain or Hassan Pur. It has flowers such as Zahra, such as Zainab, such as Sayyidina Imam Hussain and Hassan radiyallahu anhum ajma'in. May Allah Ta'ala allow us to be from amongst the lovers of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah Ta'ala instill the love of the Ahlul Bayt and the Sahaba ridwan within our hearts. May Allah Ta'ala allow us how محترم یونس صاحب has held a gathering of ایصال ثواب for his parents. May Allah Ta'ala raise their ranks, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us all to give such gifts to our parents by reciting Quran, by having gatherings of Quran and transferring reward to them. Jazakumullahu khair.